Today we're checking in on our Equestrian farm home project. Set in beautiful North Georgia, this home needed some major updating, renovating, and reconfiguring. Let's go inside. The office doors will be replaced with new iron ones. The kitchen is a full gut job with walls removed from the dining room to open it up, and then extending a wall to balance it out. A hidden pantry and open shelving. We reconfigured the mudroom that leads out to the garage and added custom cabinetry. New sliding doors were added leading to the back porch, and a new fireplace is coming soon. The living room is all new with an updated fireplace and more custom cabinetry. The beautiful powder room has a new floating vanity and a marble countertop. The gorgeous master bedroom and bathroom were reconfigured and feature marble everywhere. Just off the bathroom is a dreamy his and hers walk-in closet. The upstairs loft overlooks the downstairs and will be a great hangout area. The bedrooms are all getting new carpet, paint, lighting, and more. The teen girl room will be charming and boho. While the teen boy room will be masculine and industrial. The guest suite will have wallpaper and a feminine flair. There's a teen suite for the son and daughter with all the stylings they love coming very soon. Let's head to the basement. A theater room is getting a full makeover. And around the corner, a gym, full bath, and a kitchenette with accordion windows over the bar. A great room with sliders to the pool, and just off the great room is a second guest bedroom. The side entry is dreamy, leading to the pool and patio that are getting a major facelift. But in the end, this home was all about honoring the backdrop views of the farmhouse life, with fields and horses, and really just enjoying the place you get to call home. Can't wait to see this project finish soon with install and finishing touches. Stay tuned.